Good morning.
Beautiful day out in Izmir.
What is Izmir?
Izmir is the old Smyrna of
Smyrna.
Turkey.
The archaeologists, they discovered another part which is much older. It goes back to 3,500, 4,000 almost BC. So the city is just much older than we think.
These are the ancient cisterns, and as you can see, the water channel is actually still flowing water. The floor of the agora would have been on top of this cistern. All right, we're here in Sardis now. We have these dogs everywhere, but we also have the group everywhere. The same faces. Let's go talk to our tour guide, Cenk, master of information. How are we doing, Cenk?
Very good, thank you.
All right, you want to give us a little preview here about what we're going to see?
We'll see Sardis today.
All right.
One of the 7 churches of Book of Revelation.
Outstanding. So get ready.
This kingdom is known for one thing that we know, everybody knows that because everybody used this. This is the place where the first time in the human being history that the monetary system started to be used.
Huh.
First coin of the world here, 600 BC.
So here we are on a Roman road at Smyrna, and what's neat is right here at the end of the road, through those behind those pillars, are eating areas, restaurants. Our shopping malls and theaters are no different, aren't they? So there's a menorah. This is a marketplace. Right now, the group is in what is a paint shop, and we know it's Jacob's paint shop, and Jacob was Jewish because there's a menorah engraved in the wall. This is a big synagogue. It's as big as the ones we saw in Israel. Well, we're not in Israel.
If you look to the bottom here, you see this? Here and here. This is open here and here and here. You see those holes?
Yes.
In the temple there was a fence that says non-Jews are not allowed beyond that part. We actually found that part. It's in the Israel Museum. Every synagogue had this.
So we violated that.
Well, you grafted in. It's fine. So.
Largest marble temple in Turkey. This is the ancient church, and it's annexed behind this temple. Let's take a look. That's it. 500 square feet, and then you've got at least a couple of thousand square feet here for the Greek goddess. It's a pretty rigorous trip as far as schedule goes, but the amount that you learn is so well worth it. So I gotta tell you, Turkey so far has exceeded my expectation. I mean, look at the beauty of these areas. Mountains, vineyards, we've seen pastures and livestock. Let's see what's next. I think we're going to the Acropolis next, but lunch. Mike is hungry. All right, we're here. We're for lunch. I don't know what this place is called, but it's obviously a shopping mall. And when you're at a shopping mall, where do you eat? A food court. Everything smells good. Pizza. Burger King. Burger King. I like me a good Whopper, but I am not coming to Turkey to eat a Whopper. Found a place to eat. Yeah, I mean the meat and everything is very good.
You know said it's good. Is it? Mike, is it good?
That's good.
All right.
That's very good.
Now we can eat.
Anyway, ciao. All right, it's after lunch. We're off the bus. We're in Philadelphia. Not the United States, Philadelphia. Philadelphia, Turkey. This city of Philadelphia is the city that we read about in Revelation. What's left of the ancient city is in the middle of a regular city. As we come upon the site, let's take a look. So we're here inside the Church of St. John, here in the city of Philadelphia in Turkey, and there's not much left of it. It's ruined, but I think it's, you know, it's a community church. It was a community church back then. It's a community church now. It is right across the street from a mosque. This is all that's left of ancient Philadelphia, and it is quite interesting. You know, you can see the potential and the grandeur of it. It would have had these four corner posts up here. You can see that those posts would have arches that would connect, creating the church. So let's go learn something.
So friends, the city was found by Hierapolis
No.
II and the other two kings of
Come all the witnesses of Allah, Ashhadu Allah, come the witnesses of the greatness of Allah. And Muhammad Rasulullah, and Muhammad is the messenger of God. It's a call for prayer, it's not a prayer song.
And it repeats the same sentence.
Yeah.
All right, if you missed the sign, we're here at the ancient city of Hierapolis. And Omir, why Hierapolis?
Hierapolis is mentioned in the letters of Paul, and this is actually one of the most amazing Roman cities with one of the best preserved theaters and the best sunset you can get in Turkey. So we're not here for the revelation, we're here to enjoy God's creation on this beautiful sunset.
Awesome. So it's always good to be in God's creation, right?
That's right.
Right on. Here we go. We'll take a look. Now, interesting trivia item is that here at Hierapolis, they had hot springs. There's volcanic activity creating hot water.
People inside, and then at night they were closing the door. This is how they make the door. This is a very nice example.
Mike, add a question. Where in the Bible does snow is being associated with punishment?
Snow and punishment?
Yep.
You're killing me, man. I told you about the hot tubs, right? Check it out. So here's the water. Just like in Roman times, it's going to come down this channel. And you end up here. It's an adventure and it's an experience. So what better way to cap off the day than in a hot tub? Well, kind of a hot tub. Maybe a Laodicean hot, spit out of your mouth, lukewarm hot tub. And I'll tell you what.
You think what?
Canal is the one.
You think so?
It is warm. I mean, here's the canal.
I don't know why.
This is what feeds the water. And I'm just going to go over here to the deep one because it has to be done. Deposit. But here it is. Take a look.
This one's pretty warm.
Attaboy.
I'm about ready to go float.
Imagine this.
Oh, wow.
Whatever you did during the day, at the end of the day, you come down to the hot pool. This is what you get to see. Imagine the city in its heyday. Snow in the mountains, sunset. Israel has a Dead Sea. Turkey has Hierapolis. Let's go to the theater. This is too cool. Caught my breath. Now I can enjoy the beauty. Awesomeness. Love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul, rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. May it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. We're at the end of the day. Awesome experience here in Hierapolis. Finished worshiping in the theater. Ancient Roman theater, ancient Roman city. Got to wash my feet in the hot pools. Thermal heated water. It's a great day. Great way to end the day. So we're gonna go get a good meal at the hotel, sleep, get up in the morning and repeat. Hope you stay around. Make sure you click the like button on the video, and get the rest of the series. A Bible study tour in Turkey. Very cool. Let's end with the sunset. time to eat. This is the best hotel we've had on the trip so far, and we're only here one night. All right, this is your official Turkish hat. No, not really. It is your hat if you go swimming though. And my friend Omir is laughing at me.
A lot, yes.
Yes. So we were at the hot springs up in Hierapolis. Now we're on Doga, the hotel. And they have the same water here. So as you can see, we even have the, Omir calls it the Devil's Cave. If you went to Israel, you'll know why. This is the volcanic spring water, right? Oh, this is nice. You can see here, the pool is at 38 degrees Celsius. I'm with my friends. Does it get any better than this?
No.
No, not really. If you ever make it out here, you have to sit in this. 38 degrees Celsius, that's pretty warm. But it feels so good after a long day. It feels good, right? Yeah.